Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Zikuri banje, akuri nayo ndakirango isizo zona. Zona and when I mangolenga information kungoibweresa kuguru posazindikira kuti information imeneyo indi ntchito yanji kapena kuti ibweresa impact yotani kwanga ena feti ndi makulu tindazibale oti kanthu kakang'onong'ono akamva mitima yawo imathamanga ndiye muzatiphesera makolo ndi mabibi size man. You understand? You need to verify, you need to check if the information you have is authentic and it's real before you bring it to the public. You understand? I know you Kuti Magosana is a big page and China Bangisa Kuti, they know my manager's number inayo. They could have called my manager and asked Kuti what's happening, like you understand? And then my manager could have, give them the right information and whatnot instead of just going forward with the information that they got. So ndizodi ndandira mafona mbili kwazibale akulu like trying to check with what's happening, ena nkumona ngandikwana miza and whatnot, like it's not good. So let's try. It's a very simple process that you can do as a social media page. Okay, fine. Manandra information, you call the artist. Indi kutegera kwa beza namba yanga. So peka so kwambi. You call the artist or you call their management and then you ask, "Tamfasa good what's happening?" And then they let you know. Nkukuzana kuti iya ipanova sajirika mogudi. If ngozi wena yirigadi, of course ngozi yirigadi because I've seen it. So without them confirming and verifying the information, which is not right at all. It's not good. It's even bad for the image because information people will be questioning what it will be very hard for them to, for people to believe them. So it's not good. So as Malawians and my social media bloggers, they should try as much as they can before going forward with the information that you have. Kupanga gai verify to the right sources. Kupanga gai, confirm. It's a simple process, very simple. You understand? You just call the right people, call the management. You understand? Call me. I know they can have my number in so many ways. Call and try to come up with the right information. So that's what I can say. Otherwise, it's music time. I think, even an apology doesn't work. A picture I won't have a good tarnish. The community still judges them. I think so please, let's try as my social media bloggers could the information. Verify it first before you bring it out there. I know what they're obsessed. Information for social media like my trendsetters or what, which is not good. You can be an Hoyambira if you have the right sources and the right information. But with this one, let's do better. I know we can do better as Malawians. Thank you so much, everybody.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.